Hey guys, I look like a friggin' hot mess. I just got home after the longest day in American history. My background's a mess, everything's a mess, but I don't care because I'm about to unbox this glorious box that I came home to, and this is my first pair of Jordan 3s. I didn't know how serious sneaker culture was up until recently, and now the feeling of like waking up at 7 a.m. to purchase a shoe in which like you go on Nike.com and after 0.2 seconds everything is sold out. The adrenaline that has been giving me, or the anxiety rather that has been giving me, is just like, it's something new, it's something I've never experienced, and I didn't know that this whole world of sneaker obsession existed up until now. But I'm really glad that I got my hands on these bad boys because I've really been wanting a pair of retro 3s for a long time. I really hope that these don't make my feet look ginormous. I already have like a pretty big foot, which is just like such an ugly factor that I have about myself, but it is what it is. So I hope that these don't make my feet look bigger. Let's not stab myself. So cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love it. Oh my god. Box is bent though, like not cool. Oh my gosh. Look at the cement wrapping. I love that. I'm gonna open it with you. Oh my god, more wrapping. So sick! Oh my gosh. Okay, I wasn't sure what, okay, first of all, they look huge. Oh my god. They look ginormous. How is this the right size? Okay, I hope that they look better on my foot. I'm just gonna say that. I was curious to see if like, I know that these are called the Denim, so it makes sense that they kind of have a blue hue to them. Because online I couldn't tell if these were like black with the trim around the edges or if they were blue, and these are like a very like almost like a grayish blue. It like kind of almost seems like black. Love them. Here's the back, here's the side. I'm gonna take out these the cardboard that they have in it. Even the cardboard is decorated. It better be decorated for a freaking $220 sneaker. I'm gonna try them on and then let you guys see them on my foot, but I will grab a pair of my husband's retro 3s to compare them to. I grabbed these guys because these are honestly the 3s that I dream about. I think that they re-released them a couple years ago and I just kicked myself in the butt for not getting them. So here they are side by side. They both have like that cement print, except that these are like, okay, now it makes sense. These are like the denim material. So I'm gonna put these on my foot and do a shot there. I love this red trim right here. So sick. Okay, they look a lot better on the foot. I was really worried that they were gonna make my feet look ginormous, but a lot better on the foot. I'm kind of bummed that I like them so much because I was hoping I would not be into it and I could just resell them and not have to spend $220 on a sneaker. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. When taking them off my foot, the insole like slipped out a little bit, but maybe that's common with the Jordan 3s, I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below what your favorite Jordans are because I would love to check them out and be jealous that I can't just go to the store and purchase them. Ugh, these shoes, I swear they get you with the adrenaline. Anyways, thanks so much for watching you guys and I'll see you next time. Bye.